Quantum computing and AI, a synergistic future. Are you ready to witness the next revolution? Quantum computing and artificial intelligence are converging, promising a future we can only begin to imagine. Get ready to explore this exciting synergy. Quantum computers are not just faster versions of our current computers. They represent a paradigm shift in computation. They outperform classical computers in specific, complex tasks. This advantage stems from their ability to leverage the bizarre principles of quantum mechanics. At the heart of quantum computing lies the qubit. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in a superposition of states. This means a qubit can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This superposition, along with quantum entanglement, enables unprecedented parallel processing. One of the most significant impacts of quantum computing on AI is accelerated training. Complex AI models, particularly deep learning models, require massive computational power. Quantum computers can drastically speed up this training process. This is especially true for computationally intensive processes like matrix multiplication. Quantum algorithms like QAOA and VQE can improve model development. They also enhance the overall performance of AI models. This acceleration allows researchers to explore more complex models. It also enables faster iteration and refinement of existing models. AI models often struggle with the curse of dimensionality. This refers to the exponential increase in data points needed as the number of variables increases. Quantum computers enhance ability to handle vast datasets. They can efficiently process and analyze data that is too complex for classical computers. Quantum algorithms like Grover's search can efficiently search large datasets. This allows AI to identify patterns and insights that would be missed by classical methods. This enhanced data handling capability unlocks new possibilities. It allows AI to tackle problems previously considered intractable. The synergy between quantum computing and AI has broad applications. It promises to revolutionize various fields, including drug discovery. In drug discovery, quantum computers can simulate molecular interactions. This accelerates the identification of potential drug candidates. Materials science is another area ripe for transformation. Quantum simulations can aid in the design of novel materials with specific properties. Financial modeling can also benefit significantly. Quantum algorithms can improve risk assessment and portfolio optimization. Quantum computing contributes to the development of more robust AI systems. It can also enhance the security of AI models and data. Quantum-resistant cryptography protects AI models from cyber attacks. This is crucial in an era of increasing data breaches and adversarial attacks. Ensuring data integrity is paramount for reliable AI. Quantum computing can help protect against data manipulation and corruption. This leads to more trustworthy and dependable AI systems. It also fosters greater confidence in AI-driven decision-making. Despite the immense potential, significant challenges remain. Building and maintaining stable quantum computers is incredibly complex. The technology is still in its early stages of development. It requires overcoming significant engineering hurdles. Quantum computing is also an expensive undertaking. The cost of building and operating quantum computers is substantial. Developing quantum algorithms for AI requires specialized expertise. There is a shortage of skilled professionals in this field. The future of AI is inextricably linked to quantum computing. As quantum technology matures, the interplay between the two will deepen. Expect a transformative shift in AI capabilities. Quantum computing will unlock new possibilities and accelerate innovation. This synergy promises a new era of discovery. It will lead to breakthroughs in various fields, impacting society as a whole. The convergence of quantum computing and AI is not just a technological advancement. It is a paradigm shift that will reshape our world. The quantum leap in AI is upon us. This represents a paradigm shift in how we approach computation and problem solving. This synergy will unlock a new era of innovation and discovery. Are you ready to be a part of this exciting future? Please subscribe for more such content. Please hit like, comment and share.